Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. A lot of viewers, mostly subscribers, have been asking, hey, I want to buy a new Mercedes, but I've been looking at used Mercedes, and what are your thoughts on buying a used Mercedes? And I say, yeah, used Mercedes are great. A couple things you need to check for, but one of the overlooked things is your oil changes and the oil quality. How do you tell, how do you know if someone's really been up to snuff on their oil changes? I'm going to show you how to check using your iCar soft the time interval, whether or not it's been changed, and the oil quality. I've purposely not reset my counter on my Mercedes, so those numbers are going to be really high. But if you have someone who's claiming that they took their car to the Mercedes dealership for all of their maintenance, all of those oil changes are going to be recorded and it's going to be reset in the computer. I'm going to show you how to check to see the true quality, quantity, and oftenity. How often the oil change has been done on this vehicle. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, I almost forgot to mention that these control modules for your HVAC, heat and air conditioning, I'm repairing them. This is one from a subscriber. I have another one as well that they're going out this week, so I just want you guys who have sent these in for repairs to know that they're almost set, almost ready to go. Look forward to receiving them in the mail shortly. And for those of you who may be wondering what this is, these things go bad and jump around, so send them to me. Details in the description below. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have plugged in the iCar soft to the OBD port, and no need to put the key in the ignition. It's going to read it, no problems. So I'm going to go into diagnostic mode, say okay, Benz. Then I'm going to go to 164 M class. That's what I have. Yours may be different. Gasoline engine, left-hand steering, say okay. I'm going to go down to the ML350, say okay. I'm going to choose manual select because I know exactly where I want to go. And we're going to go down to number 30. And we're going to go to this assist active service. And we're going to say okay. And what that does is you can look at the control unit version, which is going to show you the software and hardware version when it was made. Then I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to go down to read fault memory. No DTC is found. Okay, that's good. Say okay. What we're then going to go do is we're going to go to the actual values and we're going to say okay. And we're going to say okay. And it's going to say the distance driven since the last oil change. Now, if someone's taken their car to the Mercedes dealership, Mercedes will wipe that out. It should say 0, and then you drive it. Then it'll say the internal remaining distance. So it'll show you how many miles have been driven, how many miles till it's no longer considered quality oil, and then the days since the last oil change. So if you have someone that's saying that they took their car to the Mercedes dealership all the time for service, and you get numbers like this, just know that they're lying. I have never reset mine. I will show you in an upcoming video how to reset it after each oil change, but I've never done that. But I also do my own repairs. Mercedes will always reset that. See how it says remaining time? That's in days since last oil change, internal remaining distance, and the current quality factor for engine oil, it's at a 1, right? This is one of the things that you must check when looking at a used Mercedes. It'll tell you the quality of the oil, how many miles or kilometers driven, how many remaining, how many days since the last oil change, and also how many remaining days. Very important to know this kind of background on the vehicle, and it's especially accurate and true when the driver, owner, operator has been taking their cars to Mercedes or claiming to have done so. Indies, not so much, but I'm going to show you how to reset all these after your oil changes, of course, and get your car super duper accurate, running with a good clean history. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.